Precious. Hey, Precious. Hey. Hey, good morning, fellow sawyers. It's a good day. Got the new log deck loaded up and ready to go with cedar. And yesterday I delivered a load of white pine 1x10s to this guy, and he sends me home with a bunch of oak that he wants me to saw down to 1/2-inch slats. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? But anyways, today is the day. The Woodmaster is arriving in about a half hour, so I'm gonna try to get some footage of that when that shows up. So that's kind of a long-awaited moment here at Plank Mills. Finally getting my molder planer. So stay tuned and maybe we'll do a little unboxing today. Okay, so the delivery man just called and he's gonna be here real soon. So I'm gonna go meet him at the end of the driveway and pick up the planer. Let's go. Got 4 boxes. I guess we'll open the big one first. Here, I need you to see this. That right there is what's going to make this thing shine. That helical cutter head. I believe those are carbide blades. And they're replaceable, so if you get one that's nicked, you can just replace one little blade. How sweet is that? Are you ready for this? Woodmaster. Check that out. You just look at that motor. That thing is huge. My goodness. Now, what do we have in the other boxes? Let's see. Belts, wood, package, Velcro strip. There's the variable feed rate. Package or something. Handle. Got dust hood. We've got sandpaper. 2 different grits of sandpaper. Okay, now we've got these 3 bags with stuff in them. This one has got casters to go on the bottom so you can move it around easily. Installation kit. Oh, that would be the gang sawing kit there. I'm guessing we got saw blades in there. What do we have here? Oh, instruction manual. And a few other things. Let's go. Got a handle, a few other little T-handles, warranty, got DVD, planer operator's manual, cool. Check this out. How to set up and run a profitable custom molding business. Check that out. There'll be molding profiles. Wow. Look at that. Picture frame. Now that is cool. Crown molding. Anyways, alright, so that's it for the unboxing, I guess. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the Woodmaster unboxing, and that's going to be it for today's video. Hopefully I'll be putting out some videos on me actually using this thing. So anyways, thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.